Hey there guys, Old Beater Cars Workshop. Well, got a bit of work done on the car here. Model, put a new motor in it, painted it up and such in there, and looks the part. Got the top on there, that's all been added on and such. So motor's not in there properly. Oh well. Anyways, we'll have to address that. Put some custom exhaust on it. Probably not would have been used originally, but I got some exhaust on here from a Camaro. A 69 Camaro exhaust on it. Looks pretty cool. And yeah, I gotta finish doing that. Engine's in there. Pan's all good in there, so yeah. So anyway, plucking away on it slowly but surely. I want to do a little video of it. I've seen you guys haven't taken much liking to the little storyline I've been doing, but anyways, whatever. It is what it is. So, but looks pretty cool. Pretty happy with the way it came out so far. Anyway, I'm gonna do some more work on it, and I'll bring you guys back when I get a little more work done on it. Alright, see ya.